Good morning students. Already we discussed triangle and its properties. Once again we will revise briefly the triangle and types of triangle based upon angles and sides. First, triangle. Triangle is a closed curve with 3 line segments. Already we know that. Triangle is having 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 vertices. 3 sides and 3 vertices. Three sides and 3 vertices. Okay. In the triangle we can represent the symbol triangle ABC. Triangle is a 3 line segment, is a closed curve with 3 line segments. On that triangle is having 3 sides and 3 vertices. Then we can represent the symbol triangle ABC. Okay, this is about triangle. In the triangle we are having 3 angles also. That's why the name is triangle. Tri is nothing but 3 angle. 3 angles is having. That's why this is called triangle. Next, types of triangles. So many days before we explained. That's why once again I am revising. Then based upon sides, the triangles are 3 types. First one is equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Third one is scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, if you observe, equilateral triangle is one type of triangle, is all sides are having equal length. If all sides are equal length, then that is called equilateral triangle. Next, in that we can take AB measurement 5 cm, then the undoubtedly then BC and CA also we can take the measurement is 5 only. Means automatically 3 are equal, then one measurement is 5 cm, remaining 3 also 5 centimeters only. Okay, this distance means A to B, vertex A to B is called side AB. Okay, in that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. In the equilateral triangle, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Next, isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal, one is different. Okay. Then one also x, y, z I am taking. xy is equal to xz, but not equal to yz different. See, yz is having so much very less measurement. xy and xz is having equal length. Means in any triangle 2 sides are equal except one, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. The triangle is called isosceles triangle. Last one is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle all are different. We are taking M and O. Means Mn is not equal to NO is not equal to OM. Mn is not equal to No is not equal to Yon. Okay, then all are different measurements. For example, this is 3 measurements, this is 4 measurements, this is a 5 measurement, 5 centimeter measurements. Like that, any triangle is having 3 measurements are different. The triangle is called scalene triangle. In which triangle is having the two sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. In which triangle is having 3 sides are equal, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. These are based upon sides. These are based upon sides. Based upon sides over. Now based upon angles. Based upon angles. Then first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. Second one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Third one, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now just observe, first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle is nothing but the angle between 0 to 90. Then this is 30 degrees. One minute. This is 60, this is 70, this is 80. Means 3 angles are below 90 degrees. So first one is acute angle triangle. Second one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, compulsory one of the angle is exactly 90 degrees. One of the angle exactly 90 degrees. Remaining will be different, maybe 40 or 50 or 45, whatever it is. Then this is the right angle triangle. This is acute angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is nothing but in which triangle is having one of the angle is 90 degrees, then the triangle is called right angle triangle. In which triangle is having all are below 90 degrees, then the triangle is called acute angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle means the angle will be more than 90. Angle will be more than 90. Actually, according to the rule of angle sum property, the sum of 3 angles should be compulsory 180 degrees. That's way in the obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. Then the remaining angles compulsory will be acute angles only. Otherwise is not possible. Just observe here, first of all, 90 degrees angle once again. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degrees. One of the angle is 90 degrees. Then remaining angles, the sum of remaining angles compulsory should be 90 degrees. Compulsory should be 90 degrees. Means in the right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degrees. Then the remaining 2 angles compulsory acute angles. Similarly, in obtuse angle triangle also, the one angle is obtuse angle. The remaining 2 angles compulsory acute angles. Is not possible. Two right angles in one triangle. Otherwise, 2 obtuse angles in one triangle. Otherwise, 1 right angle, 1 obtuse angle in one triangle is not possible. Why? Because the sum of 3 angles will be 180 degrees. Okay, these are the types of triangles based upon angles. Next, median and altitude. Median and altitude. Take any one triangle. A is one vertex, B is one vertex, C is one vertex. The median is nothing but is a line segment. The middle point of one line, middle point of one side, the middle point of one side to the opposite vertex. The median is the distance between the middle point of the one side to opposite vertex. The distance, the line. If you draw one line segment, this is called median. Then compulsory, this is the in BC, middle point exactly BD, means BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. Okay, D will be separate BC into equal parts. That's why BC is equal to CD. Like that altitude also. Altitude also same. Will start from one vertex to opposite side only, but exactly 90 degrees, means perpendicular line. We can take, this is O. See here, this that in the median we have to observe the middle point. In the altitude we have to observe the exactly perpendicular line. Here QO is not equal to OR. QO is not equal to OR. Why? Because QO distance different, OR distance different. This is about median and altitude. Median is nothing but the median is the distance between one vertex to the opposite side middle point. The middle point of opposite side to one vertex, the opposite vertex distance, we can draw one line segment. The line segment is called median. The same line segment, if you draw one vertex to opposite side perpendicular line is called altitude. Okay, in one triangle is having three medians, like that same in one triangle is having three altitudes. In one triangle is having three medians, means why? Because I am drawing from A vertex to opposite side. Here also I am drawing P vertex to Q opposite side, like that. One more two vertex is there. From B2 we can draw one median, from C2 we can draw one median, means each triangle is having three medians. At the same time, each triangle is having three altitude also. From P2 will come one altitude, like that. Q2, one more letter we can draw one altitude. From R2 we can draw one altitude. Okay, basically this is the third terms of basic fundamentals of triangles. In triangle is a simple closed curve with three line segments. In triangle is having three sides, three vertices and three angles. Okay, in that, based upon sides, triangles are three types. First one is equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Same like as in based upon angles, triangles are three types: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, then include that. Then in triangle is having median and altitude. The median is nothing but the line segment is one vertex to opposite side middle point. We can draw the line segment is called median. From one vertex to opposite side exactly one perpendicular line we can draw, that is called that is called altitude. Okay, in one triangle is having three medians, at the same time triangle is having three altitude. Okay, next class the different types of means altitude in which type of means in acute angle triangle where will be altitude and obtuse angle triangle where will be altitude, we will explain next class. Thank you students.